Now, one problem I hear about from a lot of homeowners is having to wait so long for hot water at their bath vanity. Now, this can be very annoying because some people have to wait up to a minute before they even feel hot water. It can also be a tremendous waste of water itself, up to 50 gallons per day. Now, one solution to this problem is to install a hot water recirculation pump. The pump itself is installed at the water heater in the line that carries hot water to the rest of the house. The unit is powered by a 110 volt circuit and it only uses about 25 watts of electricity. But what makes the system work is the thermal valve that's installed under the vanity the greatest distance from the water heater. The valve is positioned between the hot and cold water line. When the water in the hot line cools off, this valve senses the change and opens, allowing the pump to force the cold water out of the hot line and over into the cold line. When true hot water reaches the valve, it closes again, so you can always have hot water at the tap. The thing I like about this system is it really is very, very simple. You have the valve underneath the sink, and then you have the recirculating pump on the water heater itself, and that's about all there is to it. But I would still suggest having a master plumber install this for you so that you can be sure that it's working the way it should.